Imagine this. What if you could earn money online by simply reading words? In this video, I'll not only show you how to make $200 to $1,000 by simply reading words online, but I'll also teach you how to do it. You might be asking yourself why you should watch this video. First and foremost, today's methods are completely free and effective all over the world. Second, you'll acquire all the information you need to get started. All of the steps, all of the information, and all of these step-by-step tactics are included in this video so that you may start earning immediately after watching it. You'll also see how much money you can make and how simple it is, and you'll be sorry if you close this video and miss out on this chance. But before we start, this is Finance Babe. I'll teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the notification bell. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. I'd like you to have a look at this before I show you the entire step-by-step plan. I'd like for you to see for yourself how much money you can make. I'm incredibly excited since today's opportunity will pay you a lot of money just for reading. I'll demonstrate how it works in detail. To do this, you don't need any prior experience, technical abilities, or qualifications. Now look, at least $1,000 for a 40 to 60 minute video, and we're just going to calculate on the upper end. We're going to need an hour, and we're going to make $1,000 consistently on the minimum. So let's go on to the online calculator and see. $1,000 divided by 60 minutes, you're able to make $16.67 per minute. Every single minute, $16. You could do it for an hour and you're going to make $1,000. And I want you to imagine real quick working for 1 hour and making $1,000. How could that change your life? How could you use that money? I'll show you exactly how to do that, but you have to watch this video until the very end because I'll show you a few strategies, how to sign up and how to get approved and how to make more money even if you spend the least amount of time. This is very important. I want you to pay 100% attention because a lot of people, they do it wrongly. And at the end of the day, they're not making any money. And I don't want that to happen to you. So first of all, I want you to go to voices.com. Once you're on the website, you will see it'll look like this. They have been featured on Microsoft, Shopify, Discovery Channel, GoDaddy, Hulu, Cisco, Los Angeles Times, and so many big brands and companies. They are definitely legit. They are paying out to people every single day. You're going to receive all the payments in PayPal, in check, or into your bank accounts. So many different methods, and it works in many different countries. Basically, on this website, they're going to give you a lot of different projects from different categories. I'll show you which categories you should pick that's going to give you the most amount of money. You can select a whole list of different projects. I'll show you what it looks like. So once you select your favorite project, they're going to give you the script, the templates, the book, and all the words that you're going to read while recording your voice. And they're going to pay you depending on how long the project is. You can do it for 20 minutes, you can do it for an hour, or you can do it for 15 minutes. There are unlimited jobs on this platform compared to other websites out there where you could do some jobs that are not consistent. Maybe it's not every day that you'll be making money because there, your job is limited. But on voices.com, there's so many categories and there's so many jobs that you can work for even 5 minutes a day. The second question that I receive is that, hey, I don't have a microphone, what shall I do? No need to worry because you don't need professional equipment. All you need is just your phone. What is cool is you don't have to show your face and you don't have to show your identity since they're going to use your voice on an ebook, on an audiobook, on TV, and on their videos. You just have to read out loud the script they provide. You don't even have to write anything. Right now, let's go back to the website. I'll show you how you could sign up and also how you can get approved and get verified, and also how you can find the best project that's going to give you the most amount of money and how you can actually apply for different jobs and get paid right after watching this video. Step number 1. I want you to hover your mouse and click on the sign up button on the top right-hand corner. Once you click on this one, a new page will pop up and you're going to see sign up for free. There are 2 options right here. A. Post the job and hire a voice actor, and an audition and work as a voice actor. In this case, we're going to click this one. We just have to put our name, email, then click on this, I agree to these, please keep me updated, and click on this. After you sign up for a free account, you're going to see many different jobs on your dashboard once you log in. For example, e-learning, explainer video, cartoon, audiobooks, digital advertising, video games, and there are so many different categories. Right now, I'm going to show you which category has the most amount of jobs suitable for beginners and is working in many different countries. So the number one category that you should pick is audiobooks. They're going to give you so much money for this, and the second one is explainer videos. This is the second most high-paying project, and the last but not the least category is video games. Now, I just want you to focus on explainer video, audiobooks, and video games because these are the top 3 categories that have the most amount of jobs, and also at the same time, the highest paying ones with the least amount of time that you spend. For example, we're going to select audiobooks. Once you click on that, you'll see a new page pop up. So here are some of the people working online from all over the world that's making money all in Voices.com. Right here, you can see the language section. You can see they're accepting people from different countries. Maybe you're from America, or you're speaking British English, or maybe you're speaking Hindi. There are so many job opportunities that you can begin reading online on Voices.com. Remember, you're going to get paid depending on the hours that you're working. So if you want to make more money, you must select a job that has maybe 60 minutes at least, so that you're going to get paid $1,000 every time you do one project. Right now, I want to show you some of the job opportunities that are available once you log in. As you can see here, there are so many jobs that you can participate in. Let me scroll down. It's like unlimited, right? As I told you, the most recommended category on Voices.com is audiobooks. So let me show you one quick example using audiobooks and see how much they're paying us. As you can see here, $1,000 compared to other jobs that just offer $100. Usually, projects on audiobooks, they're going to give you all the scripts and all the templates. You just have to read that and record using your phone. And you are going to get paid $1,000 by doing that. And also, one of the top categories is video games. So this is one example of a script for video games that they're going to give you. This is the sample script they're going to give you, and you have to read that. So they're going to show you who the client is, what age and gender the voice sounds like, and also a job description that describes what you should do. If you actually download their app on Google Play Store or App Store, this is what it's going to look like. They could give you a script, and you could hit that record button on your phone and read the script aloud. That's how simple it is. You can download this on Google Play Store, you can search Voices.com, and the logo looks like this. You can download this for free, and you can begin working. And that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you when I see you.